Hello and welcome, this is Intrested in Intresting, I am John and today we are mass unboxing some stuff. First box, internal hard disk drive 1TB by Seagate and one more external drive also by Seagate like the one we have unboxed in a previous video, link at the top of your screen. Next are adapters in different configurations for use with stands, tripods and arms for cameras. Manfrotto Adapter Spigot, 1/4 of an inch female and 3/8 of an inch female screw. SmallRig, 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch thread adapter. Manfrotto Reversible short stud 037 accessory. Different attachment and configuration options. Size measurements. Last but not least, some guitar strings kits, Ernie ball, Ernesto Palla, Nylon, black and gold. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do here, support us with a like by subscribing to our channel and enabling the notification by hitting the bell icon so you stay in tune for future content. Leave us a comment. Also, if you like so, please share. Join us on Facebook and Discord. If our work is not of your taste, please tell us why in the comments.